Learn Fusion 360 with real-world mechanical projects. The design projects in this course go beyond theory and focus on real-world hands-on application. This approach helps reinforce core CAD concepts while teaching practical design thinking and problem-solving skills used in professional engineering environments. This course is perfect for students, engineers, designers, and hobbyists who want to develop professional CAD skills while building an impressive portfolio of mechanical projects. In this course, you will work on creating more than 50 individual mechanical parts across a range of projects including a pipe wrench, press vise, 4-cylinder wrenching, double roller barrel throtter, swell bearing, and a flying ornithopter. These projects are designed to simulate real-world applications, allowing you to apply your new skills in practical scenarios. Through structured project-based lessons, you will learn to create 3D parts, assemble components, apply materials, and animate mechanical movements, starting from basics and progressing to advanced techniques. Get access to downloadable lesson files, including detailed drawing for every component and Fusion 360 ready project models. These lessons come with direct download links to help you follow along with ease. Upon successful completion of this course, you will receive a certificate of achievement demonstrating your proficiency in Fusion 360. If you have any questions, feel free to post it on discussion forum or join our interactive question and answer sessions. Whether you have questions about a lesson or need a further clarification, we are here to support you every step of the way. By the end of the course, you will have a solid command of Fusion 360, including 3D solid modeling, complex assembly creation, applying joints and motions constraint, generating high-quality renderings, and producing dynamic animations. You will not only understand how to design individual parts, but also bring them together into fully functional mechanical systems. Whether you aim to advance your career in mechanical design, kickstart a freelance journey, or strengthen your skills for engineering roles, this course will give you both technical expertise and practical experience needed to confidently tackle real-world design challenges and stand out in the field. Start your journey today. Enroll now and let's get started.